Blessed, welcome to this tutorial, friend. My name is Maverick from Work with Expert, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how you can do the smooth slow-mo on CapCut without using Vsco. Now this video is gonna be very much practical. For you to do this, you're gonna be needing CapCut. So let me just head straight to my Play Store now, and you can head over to your App Store to download CapCut. So you just search for CapCut. So you can see it right here. So I already have the CapCut installed on my phone. So all you have to do is to click on install, and once you click on install, you open. All right. So now once you click on open, it's gonna load, and right here you can see this how it's gonna look. So you have to give them access to your media. All right, so you give them access to your media. Then once you do that, you click on new project here. Okay, so it's gonna take you to your gallery. So you just select the video you want to use. I'm just gonna use this video here. Then you click on add. So once you click on add, it's gonna add the video to your CapCut, and this is how your interface is gonna look like. So what I like to do at first, before I even start to edit a video, is to go to the back end just like this and delete this CapCut logo. All right, because it's gonna show CapCut. So I always advise that you first delete that. So once you do that, then you can now start whatever you want to do. All right, so the next thing you have to do is, if you're using this for TikTok, let's say I want to turn this video to a TikTok size, I'm just gonna go scroll down below here and you click on format. Then you change it to 9. I don't know wherever it is, but I think it's 9:16. All right, so you change it to 9:16, and just like this, so it looks more perfect. All right, so it looks more perfect for the TikTok size. Then you press this back, so it's gonna go. Now you can see that it looks more perfect for TikTok. But if your video already has the TikTok size, or maybe if your video already has a size that you want to leave it for, then just leave it alone. You don't have to bother about this. All right, but just to talk more to people that are using TikTok, so that the video looks more like I'm talking straight to them, so that is why I just have to change the video dimension to 9:16. all right, so now once you're done with that, once I've done that, the next thing for me to do now is that I have to reduce the volume. All right, so to reduce the volume of the video, because by the time we start adding whatever we want to add, the volume will not be able to align with the video. All right, so you just tap on the video. All right, now you can see that this looks, they overlay, all the features beneath here, you can see it's just a normal CapCut feature. But once I tap on the video, now you can see that it's now giving me more features to edit the video. So you click on volume. Once you tap on the video segment rather, right here, you click on volume, then you reduce the volume. All right, so you reduce the volume and you make it not have any volume at all. It is when you're done that you can now you extract the volume of the video, then you put it back, but we'll be doing that later on. All right, so now once you're done with this, once you've reduced the volume, then the next thing for you to do now is to add speed. All right, you had the speed slow. So now the next thing we have to do now is to click on speed. All right, you click on speed here. Now remember, in case you did not see this, know that it is because this thing as the interface has left the video editing. So if you did not see, just tap on the video again, then you're gonna see the video interface, the video segment. You're gonna see the video features that you use to edit the video. So you click on speed. So once you click on speed, you click on normal. Then once you click on normal, you reduce the speed to 0. Depending on the speed you want to use, sometimes you can decide, because this will slow the video. All right, you can use 0.5, you can use 0.4. It depends on your own discretion, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna use 0.3. all right, 0.3. So you're gonna see now that it's gonna slow, right? You can see that it is slow, right? It is slow. So that is how it works. All right, so it's gonna slow the video. Okay, so now you can see that it is slow, but sometimes you might want it to start with a fast, and I mean you might want it to start with the normal speed ratio before it gets slow. So if you want to do that, let me just, if in case you want to cancel whatever you have done, just click on this back reverse icon here. All right, just click on this reverse. Then once you click on the reverse, now you can see that the speed has left wherever the speed that I added, the slow speed I added has already been cancelled. So what we're just gonna do is that you try to make it play a little bit, then you pause it, then you split it here. Okay, you tap on split. Okay, when you split it, now you just add the speed to this video that you, or this segment that you already split. All right, so in case, please do not get confused. All right, this is just normal stuff. Once you practice it, you'll be able to understand better. All right, but this is just for someone who wanted to first, get to the normal speed at first before it gets slow. All right, but if you do not care, if you want it to get slow at the beginning, you can just add it straight. Okay, but for this video, I just wanted to get the normal speed at the beginning like this. Then from here, I want it to get slow. You understand what I'm talking about? So I'm just gonna tap on the video that I just split, then I click on speed normal, then I had the 0.3. now if I should play it now, you will see that it's the normal speed, but when it gets here, it's getting slow, right? So that is what I just want to do. All right, so that's what I did right here. So that is how it works. Okay, so it's just that simple. Okay, so now the next thing for us to do now is to add the overlay. All right, so the next thing for us to do is to add the overlay. Now to add the overlay, what we have to do here is that we're gonna export this video. All right, we're gonna export it. Then once we export it, then we come straight to add it as overlay. Now another way you can add overlay is, in case you're somebody who doesn't use this kind of, maybe you did not let it to be fast from the beginning before it gets slow. Let's say you just use the normal slow-mo from the beginning, you just reduce the speed to whatever, to 0.3 or whatever it is from the beginning. Then all you have to do is you just have to click on the video, then you click on the video like this, then you copy it. Okay, you copy, then once you copy just like this, you tap on overlay, you tap on overlay. Okay, overlay here, overlay, and you tap on the video, then you scroll like this, you tap on the new copied video, and you scroll, and you scroll this way here, and you tap on overlay. So it's now gonna drop down, and what you have to do is you have to start dragging it all the way below the video that it's at the top. All right, below the one at the top. But the reason why I don't really like this type is that if you have a very long video, let's say it is 15 minutes long, or the video is just too long, then you have to keep dragging and dragging and dragging. So if you're okay with this, then you can just keep dragging it all the way till you're done. All right, you can just keep dragging it all the way. Okay, so you can see that if I should look at it, you can see that it is already working. All right, so but what we're gonna do here now, I'm gonna delete that. All right, so all I just do is tap on the video and I click on delete. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna export it. I'm gonna export everything, and I'm gonna add the exported video as an overlay. All right, so everything is gonna be below. All right, instead of me copying it. So what I'm gonna do is tap on this top download icon. So it's gonna export on my phone. So please, if you're enjoying this video, please kindly use 1 second to just hit the subscribe button below. Alright, so now it's done, so I'm just gonna click on done. So it's gonna take me back, so I'm gonna tap on the video again. Alright, so we're gonna continue editing it. Alright, so it's still the video that we're editing, remember. So now I'm gonna tap on overlay here. Okay, I just hope you are getting it. It's very easy, do not get confused. So once I tap on overlay, I tap on add overlay. So I'm gonna tap on this, the exported video that I just finished exporting. So I'm gonna tap on add. So it's gonna add as overlay here. So you can see that it's already added as overlay. But what we just have to do here is that we have to adjust it to the screen. All right. So we've just got to adjust it to the screen here so you can see. Okay. I think it's not yet perfect. Okay. So you just use your two hands to adjust it to the screen. So now if we should play it now, let's see how it goes. So you can see that it is very still smooth, all right, because I decide to export it and I re-add it, all right, as an overlay, all right, because I've seen a lot of people have problem with when they copy it and they try to, you know, check out the overlay is not working. So you can just use this method. You can just export the video, then you re-add it. Once you export the video, you know, come down, you know, you tap on, once you export the video, come back to the video you're editing, tap on overlay, tap on add overlay and add the video that you exported and adjust it to your screen. All right, so that is how you do that. All right, I believe you already get how that works. Okay, so now once we're done with that, we just have to add a little bit of splice to it. So I'm just gonna tap on overlay again. So the video that we just added as an overlay here, okay, you're just gonna tap on the video. Okay, so once you tap on video, you tap on splice. Okay, so it's gonna load. We have to reduce this to 30%. Okay, so let's just wait a little bit. Okay, so you just reduce this to 30. Okay, so you click on the mark icon. So let's see. All right, so everything is now very much perfect. All right, so it is now very much perfect. So you can see how it is adding the slow-mo and everything is going perfectly. All right, so this is how you can do your smooth slow-mo, my friend, and you can make use of capcut for it. All right, so you can see that also trying to cut the capcut the other time, trying to delete the capcut the other time, you can see that it helped me a little bit here. And now once you're done here, you can now go ahead to add your sound and you can make it align with the video. You can try to, you know, make the sound a little bit lower and harder. You can add your sound. So to add sound, all you have to do is just click on audio. Once you click on audio, you click on sound and it's gonna load and you can add whatever sound. They have a lot of sound here on CapCut, so you can add several sound that you want to add and you'll be good to go. All right, so you can see you can even sign in with your TikTok and you had it. So but I'm not gonna add sound here simply because I do not want this video to get mixed with the background sound that I'm doing. So now you can see here is the finished video. So you see, all right, so here is how it goes. All right, here is how it goes. You can see that it's working perfectly. All right, so I believe this video is very helpful, friend. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button below. It won't cost you anything, it is free. And also please make sure that you hit the like button so that YouTube can also recommend this video to more people so that they can learn from it, because I noticed that a lot of videos are just not too detailed like this, but with this one people will be able to hear and also understand how to use the application very well. And if you have any question, if you try to encounter any difficulty, you can use the comment box below and I'll be glad to reply every of your questions, all right, or whatever difficulty they're experiencing. Thank you very much for your time, my friend, and I'll see you in some other videos. Bye.